It's no secret that Devin Booker has an appreciation for classic sneakers and vintage American muscle cars. That's why the upcoming Nike Chevrolet Devin Booker collection is a perfect match. Designed in close collaboration with Book himself, this special edition isn't just about style, it's a nod to everything he loves, a crossover of culture, heritage, and horsepower. These are the NikeBlazer Low Book Chevy in dark green. Over here at Shoot Your Shot TV, we appreciate great collaborations, especially those with great storytelling. But before we jump into it, we want to give a huge shout out to Devin Booker and his team for sending these over. It really means a lot to have our work be recognized, and hopefully it's just the start of things to come. I'm really grateful and excited to have these in hand, so let's go ahead and dive into the details. Starting at the tongue, you've got a leather tongue tag featuring the iconic Chevy bow tie logo, embroidered in green with a clean white outline. Flip it over and you'll find Booker's family crest stitched in tonal green behind the tag. The tongue itself has exposed foam detailing, just like the original Blazers from 1973. This pair comes with flat green laces, plus an extra set in white. It also includes a Chevy bow tie keychain and a custom DB Blazer keychain, a clever flip on the classic K5 Blazer logo. Moving to the upper and toe box, the shoe is wrapped in rustic suede, dressed in dark green. Large white swooshes in a soft suede leather sit on both sides, paired with a soft leather collar lining for comfort and a premium feel. Towards the back, you'll find a white suede overlay with Book embossed in green, simple and bold. The entire look is grounded by that classic Blazer midsole in a gum colorway. And taking us down to the outsole, you have more of that gum color and herringbone traction, giving these that vintage edge and timeless contrast. The surf blue pair mirrors all of these details, same build, same branding, just with a different upper and a darker midsole. It starts with the name Blazer. On one side, you've got the NikeBlazer, a 1973 basketball classic turned streetwear and skateboard staple. On the other, the Chevy K5 Blazer, a bold, boxy, off-road icon first released in 1969. Devin Booker owns multiple K5 Blazers, including a custom turquoise and a custom forest green one, each restored with care. That blend of vintage soul and modern detail directly inspired this collab. Matching your kicks to your cars at this caliber is next level. To my knowledge, this is the first Nike Chevrolet collab, making it one of the most unique drops we've seen, and it fits because it reflects who Booker is, someone who values timeless design, quiet confidence, and storytelling through detail. From the rustic suede to the flip DB Blazer keychain to the vintage style box with custom Chevy ad tissue paper and that bold Heartbeat of America branding, this sneaker just isn't a product, it's personal. This collaboration connects basketball, car culture, and Americana, all through the lens of an athlete who respects the past and puts his own spin on the future. Again, want to give a huge thank you to Devin Booker for sending over both pairs of Blazers in the Chevy collection, as well as the Nike Book 1 Chevy, which we previously reviewed. Make sure you check it out and be on the lookout for this collection dropping real soon. The Blazer Low Book Chevy in dark green will be available on sneakers and other select Nike retailers on Tuesday, April 22nd for $100. If you're in the area, you can swing by 1985 Gallery to grab your pair. Make sure you follow them on Instagram for all the release details. If you miss out online or in-store, you can click our StockX affiliate link. Any purchase made using that link helps support the channel so we can keep these reviews coming. As far as sizing is concerned, the Blazer has always run pretty narrow, but going true to size fits me best. I do suggest going a half size up if you have a wider foot. And I must say, lows are also a lot easier to put on compared to the highs. As for style, the Blazer is one of the most iconic Nike silhouettes of all time. Chevy owners now have a sneaker to put the pedal to the metal. These look great with baggy pants as well as shorts. They're super versatile for a number of different styles. I think I like the green pair a little more for its subtleness, while the surf blue pair gives the sneaker a bit more of a pop. But how do you all feel about the NikeBlazer Low Book Chevy? Are you gonna pick up this collaboration? Which color do you like better? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you all. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button so you can be up to date when we drop new episodes. But let's go ahead and try these on.
Future Shot Records, let's fucking go.
I'm back, yeah, that feeling, I feel it. That shit that got me in it. Keep it real, I miss it. Nothing as real as this shit. Still on the mission for my meal ticket. They still complaining and they still bitching. Ill, quit it. Instead of doing, they still wishing. They still tripping, I'm just built different. I'm still chilling, but I'm still building. I'm polarizing when I step outside. Feel like I got an extra life. Can't rest until my kids are set for life. Jesus, peace shine hella bright. Money give me devil eyes. Shit, I might go and put a rollie on that demon time. Nah, I don't do beef, for me that's peace of mind. Nah, I don't start shit, that's how I sleep at night. With no regard for how they view me. If you ever had an issue, then lawyer up and sue me. I overdo it cause they can't outdo me. I'm Steph with it and you can't outshoot me. Splash.
If you enjoyed this review on the NikeBlazer Low Book Chevy, make sure you check out all our other Book One reviews as well. We have a bunch for you all to binge and enjoy. Hit that like and subscribe button so you can be up to date every time we drop new episodes, and we'll catch you on the next one.